Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. You're checking out this legend of a machine, Trans Am GTA. He said it's been running like crap since somebody replaced the rotor on it. We're going to take a look at the wires and make sure the wires are on, the plugs right, so that at least the firing order is right. We're dealing with these older cars. Just gotta make sure they're hooked up right. I found some conflicting information on how the wires are supposed to be hooked up. So I found a couple that seem consistent. So I'm going to see if they're hooked up the way that those are. Access the distributor cap, whatnot, is actually a Torx 20 to get these screws out. So I'm going to pull these 3 screws. Good thing somebody didn't over tighten them. They didn't even snug them. I would snug them down and then pull this piece up and off. It's just a cover. Lift the cover up and out of the way. There's your distributor. Here's the engine facing forward. We want to make sure these wires are hooked up on the right cylinders so that we know at least the firing order is going right. Looking at the engine, cylinder 1 is up front here. Then here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the spark plug order. There you can see the engine there. You got 1, 2, 7, 5, 6, 3, 4, 8.
Well, the wires
over here, in the wires, you got 1, 3, 5, 7. And then you have 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're going to make sure these wires are hooked up to the right plugs. Like 4 and 8 were switched. So he's going to firing like a chicken right now. Looks like number 4 wire and number 8 wire was switched. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.